Hello everyone, my name is Dan Xiaoqian and today I will be presenting about the importance of industrial management in the palm oil sector, focusing on Sime Darby Plantation, one of Malaysia's leading plantation companies. Industrial management plays a crucial role in transforming traditional agriculture into a modern, efficient and sustainable industry, and Sime Darby is a perfect example of this transformation. Palm oil is one of Malaysia's most important economic sectors. It contributes significantly to export earnings and provides employment to thousands of people. However, managing such a large and complex industry requires effective industrial management involving planning, organization, leadership, and control to ensure productivity, quality, and sustainability. Sime Darby Plantation managed over 600,000 hectares of oil palm plantation across Malaysia, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea, which means every decision from harvesting to logistics must be well organized and data-driven. Let's begin with operation management, which focuses on improving efficiency and productivity in the daily plantation process. At Sime Darby, the company has moved from manual labor to mechanized harvesting using customized cutting tools and lightweight machinery to increase output while reducing worker fatigue. They also use automation and yield optimization systems where drones and sensors monitor tree health, rainfall, and soil conditions to predict the best harvest time. This integration of technology allows Sime Darby to achieve consistent production levels and reduce operational costs, a clear example of how industrial management improves productivity. Next is quality management. Sime Darby places strong emphasis on maintaining high-quality standards throughout its supply chain. The company is RSPO certified, meaning it meets the Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil Standard for ethical and sustainable production. They also develop a traceability system that allows buyers to track the origin of palm oil back to the individual mill or estate. This not only increases transparency but also helps Sime Darby gain trust from international markets such as Europe and Japan, where sustainability requirements are very strict. Moving on to human resource management, people are at the heart of every plantation. Sime Darby focuses on employee training, safety, and welfare. They provide regular workshops for plantation workers and supervisors to ensure safe operation and proper maintenance of machinery. They also implemented a digital HR system that tracks performance, attendance, and training records, helping managers make informed decisions about workforce deployment. This system improves communication and motivates employees by recognizing good performance, which is a key principle of modern industrial management. Another critical area is sustainability management. Sime Darby Plantation is one of the leaders in green innovation within the palm oil sector. They enforce a zero deforestation policy and have invested in methane capture technology at their mills to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. In addition, Sime Darby published an annual ESG report demonstrating their commitment to environmental, social, and governance goals. This shows that industrial management isn't just about profit, it's also about protecting the planet and ensuring long-term business survival. Technology and innovation are now central to industrial management. Sime Darby uses drones, IoT sensors, and big data analytics to monitor plantation health, detect pest problems early, and plan fertilizer use precisely. This technology allows real-time decision-making, minimize resource waste, and increase yield per hectare. This shift toward digital transformation proves that palm oil can be a high-tech, sustainable industry when guided by good management principles. As a result of applying industrial management principles, Sime Darby Plantation has achieved higher productivity per acre, lower operational costs, and improved global competitiveness. The company is now recognized as one of the world's most sustainable palm oil producers, setting a benchmark for others in the industry. Personally, I believe that Sime Darby's success shows how industrial management can make agriculture smarter and greener. It's inspiring to see how a traditional industry like palm oil can evolve through innovation, leadership, and sustainability practices. I think this model can be adopted by other sectors in Malaysia, such as rubber, cocoa, and aquaculture, to achieve similar sustainable growth. To conclude, industrial management is not only important, it's essential for the palm oil sector. Through effective planning, organization, leadership, control, and innovation, Sime Darby Plantation has transformed itself into a global leader in sustainable agriculture. Thank you for listening, and I hope this presentation helps you understand how management principles can truly shape the future of Malaysian palm oil industry. Thank you.